Hello everybody! Today we bring you inside Toyota Motor Manufacturing, Kentucky, the largest Toyota factory in the entire world. This vast facility produces some very significant products, including one of Toyota's best sellers for decades, the Camry. And as many of you may know, our dad worked there for 36 years, which gives us a special family connection. But without further ado, let's check out this impressive facility. The story began in 1986 when Toyota broke ground on what would become its first wholly owned manufacturing facility in the United States. By 1988, the first Camry rolled off the line, marking the beginning of a legacy that shaped both Toyota and the surrounding community for nearly 4 decades. Today, this site is Toyota's largest manufacturing plant in the world, stretching across 1,300 acres and encompassing 9.2 million square feet, roughly the size of 156 football fields. Over the years, TMMK has produced more than 27 million vehicles and powertrains, including some of the most beloved models on American roads. It's capable of producing 550,000 vehicles every single year, which is why it remains the cornerstone of Toyota's U.S. manufacturing strength. But the plant's impressive not just in production output, but also in employment numbers. Nearly 10,000 team members work here, and Toyota invests deeply in their development through one of the most advanced training systems in the industry. Step inside the production floor, and you'll see why Toyota Kentucky is often described as a city within a city. There are probably real cities with less than 9 million square feet. Every vehicle starts as raw steel in the stamping shop, where massive presses shape panels with exacting detail. From there, body components move to the weld shop, where hundreds of skilled team members and thousands of robots join pieces together to form the body structure. It's a mix of resistance welding, spot welding, and arc welding, guided by advanced sensors that monitor strength and consistency in real time. TMMK's newest innovation, the K-Flex line, takes flexibility to a whole new level. Originally built as Line 1, the same line that produced the very first Camry, this area has been completely reimagined for the modern era. When Toyota moved its old paint shop in 2020, that space was transformed into an advanced open concept production area designed for smart manufacturing. Now, K-Flex can seamlessly produce multiple vehicle types, from sedans to SUVs, and is prepared for battery electric vehicles in the near future. Toyota has actually confirmed that 2, currently unnamed, electric 3-row SUVs will be produced on this new assembly line. Stay tuned for more information about those products on the channel soon. Throughout the line, automated guided vehicles carry engines and components via Wi-Fi connection, eliminating the need for overhead lifts. Smaller autonomous mobile robots navigate between stations, delivering parts directly to where they're needed most. Toyota Kentucky is also home to the first AGVs in the US capable of transporting full vehicle bodies to final assembly, another step towards efficiency and ergonomics. But Toyota's automation philosophy is clear. It's not automation for the sake of automation. Every piece of technology here exists to lighten the burden on team members, not replace them. Using Toyota's ACRX data platform, each workstation collects and monitors thousands of points in real time. If a process shows signs of irregularity, the system automatically pauses, allowing technicians to address it before a defect ever occurs. Artificial intelligence even studies how team members move, helping identify ergonomic risk or repetitive motions that could lead to fatigue. By analyzing these patterns, Toyota can redesign workflows that are safer and more efficient, maximizing quality while protecting all the people behind it. In fact, many workstations are designed around Toyota's any member, any process principle. Variable height platforms allow any team member, regardless of height or build, to complete each task safely and comfortably. Beyond assembly, TMMK's powertrain facility gives Toyota a unique advantage. As the only U.S. plant with engine and transmission production on site, the entire manufacturing process, from raw components to a running vehicle, happens right here in Kentucky. As Toyota looks towards the future, one facility is driving the next generation of innovation: the Production, Engineering, and Manufacturing Center, or PEMC. Located right here in Kentucky, PEMC is where Toyota engineers and designers experiment with the manufacturing technologies of tomorrow. Think of it as a mini factory, or rather dozens of them. Inside, engineers build small-scale versions of entire production lines to test new concepts before bringing them to life in the full-scale plant. Here, teams use digital simulation, virtual reality, and additive manufacturing, including 3D printing, to refine everything from tool designs to process flow. The production lab allows Toyota to test new assembly methods in real time, while the additive lab develops new ways to design parts with less material and more strength. At PEMC, it's all about experimentation, trying, failing, and improving, just as Toyota has done for decades. But now, those innovations are powered by data, AI, and automation, working hand in hand with human creativity. From 1986 to today, Toyota Kentucky has produced millions of vehicles and powered an entire region's economy. Beyond the numbers, Mason and I are personally very grateful for Toyota choosing the Bluegrass State as the location of this facility, because it profoundly impacted our family. Between this facility and all the suppliers around Kentucky, tens of thousands of hard-working people have been able to make a good living for years. Well guys, we hope you enjoyed this detailed look behind the curtain of how Toyota manufactures many of its most important vehicles. If you enjoyed seeing this behind the scenes, let us know in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe for all kinds of automotive content, not just factory tours. We'll see you next time. Take care.